Here I will try to demonstrate you the 5G new radio or NR. Actually on my previous video I tried to explain the basic configuration for NS-3 and how to install NS-3 also. But here the installation of NS-3, the previous one, is different from the current one, because on the previous, just to show you how to install NS-3, the normal NS-3 or all-in-one. But here I will try to show you the configuration and installation of NS-3 with 5G new radio. So this file or this package needs different prerequisites than the previous one. That is the difference. So what are the major prerequisites for NS-3 plus the NR1? So the first prerequisite is the lib c6-div. So this library provides semaphore header file. So this is very important to configure the 5G NR on the NS-3 simulator. After you installed this library, you have to install the second one. It is SQLite. So this is very important, and it has different version like version 3 and the library of SQLite 3 hyphen the div one. So you have to install those two libraries as a prerequisite. That means you have to install those two libraries before you download and configure your NS-3. After you install those libraries, you can download the NS-3 from the gitlab.com. It's not a GitHub one, it's from a gitlab.com by using this clone or git clone command. So this one is different from the previous one. The previous one is NS-3 all-in-one, but this one is NS-3 div. So this NS-3 div supports the NR1, but the previous one does not support the NR1. So that's why we have to use different links, this one. So this is very important. And after you download NS-3 div, you have to download the NR module independently, right? So you can use this link by using a command git clone. Then you can write this command. So how many packages we have to install? 2, NS-3 div and the NR module. But the NR module should be installed in the NS-3 div. So how? I will show you. Next, we have to switch the latest NR release, because there are different release for NR branches. So like 5G Lina version 2.5, 2.6, 1.3, 1.2. It depends on your NS-3 version. Actually, I used NS-3 0.34, so I will use 5G Lina version 1.3 or 1.2. But if you installed like NS-3 3.39 or 3.8, the latest version, maybe you have to use Lina version 2.5 or 2.6. So it depends on your branches or your version. So you can check this link here. There is a supported platform. So by checking this link, you can get your suitable Lina. So after you install the NR1, you have to enter the CDNR1. So you can, I will show you in as a demonstration. So after you enter the NR, you have to check out your Lina version, and finally you have to check out also your NS-3 version. For example, here there is NS-3.38, but I used NS-3.34. So I will show you in practical. And finally, you have to test your NS-3 plus NR installation. Is it configured properly or not, by using /NS-3 configure and enable the example and the tests by using this command. And after you test, you have to compile the NS-3 with NR. So by using the following command like /NS-3. But it depends on the type of your NS-3. For example, my NS-3 using /WAF. Not /NS-3, but if you are using latest version, you can use /NS-3 or not. This depends on the version. So let's go to my demonstration. This is the output, the expected output. I'll show you. So let's go to the demo. So it is my Linux. Okay, so this is my home. It is my home. So already I installed, have you seen, NS-3 div, but the previous one is NS all-in-one 3.34. So I will not use this one, but now I will use NS-3 div. So here NS-3 div, there are a lot of sub files and folders. So let's access it by terminal. Let's go back to my home. So it is my home now. So let's check my home list. You can list. So there is NS-3 div here. Have you seen NS-3 div? So you can enter by using cd NS-3 div. Again, you can write list or ls. So you can get a lot of different files here. But now I want to show you the NR or the new radio is enabled or not. That is my current objective. So where is NR? You have to enter the contrib. Have you seen there is a contrib or contributor or contribution one? So I have to enter on the contrib folder to check then whether the NR available or not. So you can use cd then contrib, then enter, then you can write ls to check. Have you seen already I installed NR based on the previous configuration mechanism or technique. So already I installed NR. So this is NR folder. So you can also enter on the NR one, cd NR, and you can write ls. Have you seen there are different sub files and folders on the NR one? So there are different examples, documentations, helper, and so many things. So I will use some examples from examples folder. For example, here cd examples, then you can write ls. Actually, to clear my terminal, you can write clear. Yeah, now it's clear. Then ls. Have you seen there are different examples or source codes for NR? So I will show you how to run this one, the demo one, cttc ltca demo.cc. So this is a first source code or demonstration file to check the NR is working or not. So you can already, I copied to my Scratch. The recommended one is to run any source file. You have to copy your source code from example to your home Scratch file one. So you can use, already I copied, but if you want to copy, you can write cp means a copy one. Then you can write ctt, the name of the source code that you want to copy it, ca demo.cc. Then you can write the destination. Where is your destination? /home. For example, my Stefanos desktop. This is my home, and inside your Scratch, sorry, NS-3 div, then you can Scratch. Have you seen? Then when you make enter, automatically this source code will be copied from example folder to your home. That is how to copy. Already I copied, so I will not do it again. Okay, so how to run this demo or this .cc file? Before you run, you can check the source code like by using gedit, but let's go the Scratch one, is it copied or not? Let's go back cd / just like you can use this one again. So now on NS-3 div, so you can make a list, and where is the Scratch? Here there is a Scratch, and go to the Scratch and make ls. Already I copied the file here. Have you seen? ltca demo.cc. So you can copy different examples on here to run it. Okay, so this is how to copy, but let's go back already I compiled and configured my NS-3 div. It is ready to run based on the previous commands. Okay, so I will show you one important thing is here. cd, I mean ls. When you run ls, sometimes WAF will not be enabled on your NS-3 div folder. So if this problem happen on your configuration or on your folder, you have to use this command like git switch. You can switch from NS-3.34 or from your NS-3 version as you want. Okay, so for example NS-3 already it's not working now. It's already fatal because already I changed here already to WAF, but maybe like git switch like minus. Have you seen? Your branch is up to date with origin master. So git switch minus command to use for up to date with the origin master, right? So you check ls. When you write ls, where is the WAF? As the previous there is a WAF, right? But now there is no WAF here. Instead of WAF there is what? NS-3. So sometimes on your configuration NS-3 occurred without WAF script file, so you can use like git switch minus or not, right? So let's go back again. Clear. So when I write ls, there is NS-3. So on my NS-3 version ./NS-3 command is not working, so I need ./WAF. So how go to or how to switch to WAF? That is my objective, right? So you can write like git checkout NS-3. My version is 0.34. Then it says head is now at this number, update availability in release note. Okay, clear, and make ls. Have you seen? When I said ls, instead of NS-3 there is a WAF. So now my version is ready to run my NR 5G NR. So let's try to run ./WAF. I think it's ready. Then -- run. Then where is my source code? On in the scratch folder, right? In the scratch. And what's the name? I think this one. So you have to remove .ccc. Okay, .ccc is very important extension file name to open by gedit command. Okay, but during run, or if you want to run, you have to remove .cc and make enter. And it says build finished successfully, so I will wait the output. Have you seen? The output is displayed just like the on my first let's check the PPT is correct or not. Have you seen? On my PPT the output is similar. The output of my 5G NR demo, there is a flow from this IP with this port number to this IP to this port number, right? So the protocol is UDP, user datagram protocol. So how many transmitter packets? Like around 10,000 in bytes in this way offered, just like that one. So let's check it from here. Almost similar, yes. So on the first flow one, there is IP 7001. This is the source one with this port number. So from source to the destination IP is 1002 with the port number 1235, and the proto means protocol. The protocol is UDP. So the transmitter packets are around 10,000 in bytes, just like this number, and the offered in megabit per second when converted in megabit per second. And how many bytes received in this one, like around here, but the transmitted bytes here, so there is some loss, right? And also the throughput to this one, and the mean delay in milliseconds. That means the time which take from source to the destination, that means to send and deliver, and the jitter, the variations, it is in milliseconds here, and the packets, the RX packet one. It's the first one. And the second flow 2, there is that means from destination to the source. So the previous destination now it is the source, and the previous source is now it is the destination, but the protocol is similar, and they send similar number of packets here. So just like this one. Flow 3 again send to again the destination 7002 with the protocol UDP. So this is the communication between two nodes. That means from source from 7002 IP to 1002 IP. Next from 1002 IP to 7002 IP, and again resend 1002. Maybe there is a problem, or if the acknowledgement is not received, it will be resend again to be sure. So the aggregated output is just like this one, mean flow throughput and mean flow delay. So this is the total, or the mean flow throughput, delay, and the aggregator one. So that's all about how to simulate the 5G NR. But if you want to be sure, you can check different example from the NR1 and so many things. So the source code, to be sure, you can check the source code by running let's first clear and cd and cd and scratch and ls, and you can open the gedit and sttc. Now you have to use .cc extension file. So this is the code. It's not my code already. This is a code which enabled in NR examples. Okay, so because when you install the libraries and the NS-3 div with NR, by default it will gives you different examples, so you can run in this way. So this is my last video to demonstrate how to install and configure NS-3 with 5G NR or new radio and run example or demo. That's all. Thank you very much.